There is a thief in our club. The kids here, they do the little sailing. Look at him. There is a thief in our club. He's gonna get all the stuff. He got caught red-handed. Now he's looking at him. Look at him. He's gonna steal those cookies no matter what. Even when I get closer to him, look at him. Oh boy, oh boy. Don't do it. Don't. It's not yours. Look at him. He's all there. Look at him. He stole a cookie. He stole one. He got the cookie. I caught you right-handed. Look at him. He doesn't even worry. Give it back. It's so funny. Cheers.